This was an image that was sent by Amy to Dolon a couple of days ago, and this is the flower that she has created with her clay and her expertise. So let's now begin to see how she makes it. At the beginning, it's always the same. You pick the clay up and you knead it into a dough. Then she's rolling it. Ittu aste karo. Because she's such an expert, she does it at a very high speed. So I probably have to keep telling her to stop. Now, because the little stamens inside, there are many little ones. So she's making very small balls for as many stamens. এতগুলো দিতে হবে না, একটু ছোট করে করতে হবে. So depending on how big you want to make the flower, then see these stamens are being now created. You have to be very delicate with it and just roll it on your palm. Similar to the last flower, the cherry lotus, because it has that point on the top. Okay, so all the inner stamens are ready. Now the accompanying whirl of leaves around, she's going to make the calyx. Slow girl. So here also you roll it and then flatten it. In the last, to make the insides, you left it like a cylinder, but here you are flattening it like the leaf. So they are like little leaves, the calyx. Then you have to very carefully gather all the stamens together, and all of this before the clay dries, otherwise it's not going to attach. And all of them have to be at the same level. So can you just show it from close so that people understand how it's put together? Yes. Okay. And now the calyx around. So the wider side up. ওটা কি করছো দেখো. To extend the bottom, she's just added a bit more clay because this kind of stem with a leaf has to be done. তো পুরোটা ভালো করে ঘুরিয়ে দেখো. Yes. And to get it more realistic, she just puts the venation on the leaves. That's right. So this is a small little woad that's ready. Yes. So we can leave this next to the dried wood. Neither of them have been fired yet.